Welcome to our channel and inspire. Today you are quoting a great person who will inspire your life if you listen to it, so let's start without delay. If you can't get a miracle, become one. If I fail, I try again, and again, and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? It's a lie to think you're not good enough. It's a lie to think you're not worth anything. Life isn't about having, it's about being. You could surround yourself with all that money can buy, and you'd still be as miserable as a human can be. I know people with perfect bodies who don't have half the happiness I've found. On my journeys I've seen more joy in the slums of Mumbai and the orphanages of Africa than in wealthy gated communities and on sprawling estates worth millions. Why is that? You'll find contentment when your talents and passion are completely engaged, in full force. Recognize instant self-gratification for what it is. Resist the temptation to grab for material objects like the perfect house, the coolest clothes or the hottest car. The "if I just had X, I would be happy" syndrome is a mass delusion. When you look for happiness in mere objects, they are never enough. Look around. Look within. I never met a bitter person who was thankful. Or a thankful person who was bitter. I encourage you to accept that you may not be able to see a path right now, but that doesn't mean it's not there. In life you have a choice, bitter or better. Choose better, forget bitter. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over. We can't, and we should not, compare sufferings. We come together as a family of God, hand in hand. And then together coming and standing upon the promises of God, knowing that no matter who you are, no matter what you're going through, that God knows it, He is with you, He is going to pull you through. God's love is so real that He created you to prove it. I have the choice to be angry at God for what I don't have, or be thankful for what I do have. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comments, and subscribe.